Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, we're going to compare Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. Both are popular video conferencing platforms, but which one is the right fit for you? Let's break down their features, pros, and cons so you can make the best choice. So now let's start with Google Meet. It's known for being simple, accessible, and widely integrated with Google Workspace. If your team already uses Gmail, Google Calendar, or Google Drive, you'll find Google Meet a natural fit. On the free plan, you can host meetings up to 100 participants and it has a 60-minute time limit. You have standard features like screen sharing, chat, and the ability to turn your mic and camera on or off. A unique feature is the live captions, which automatically generates subtitles during meetings, which is helpful for accessibility or when you need clarity. However, Google Meet is very Google-centric. It integrates with Google Apps, but if you need something more customizable or outside the Google ecosystem, you might feel a bit restricted. Where Teams really shines is in its collaboration features. It's designed for workspaces that need constant communication, offering chat channels, file sharing, and seamless collaboration on Microsoft Office files during meetings. Teams is ideal for businesses that rely heavily on project management or need to keep track of multiple discussions. And now, in terms of security, both platforms offer end-to-end encryption and are GDPR compliant, so your data is safe. But Teams has a slight edge with its enterprise-level security features, making it a popular choice for larger organizations. So now the question is, which one is right for you? If you're already using Google Workspace or need something simple and easy to jump into, Google Meet is a great choice. It's straightforward, fast, and easy to set up. But if you need collaboration tools, file sharing, and are working in Microsoft environment, then Microsoft Teams might be the better option. It's more feature-rich and it's especially useful when you're managing teams or a large project. So in conclusion, both platforms offer fantastic features, but your choice depends on the tools your business or team already uses and what kind of features are most important to you. And that's it for today's comparison of Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.